Hey there, I'm Brielle. Welcome to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm buzzing with excitement to share my thoughts on the Breville Commercial Super Q Pro Blender, a high-powered beast that's ready to transform your kitchen. If you're all about smoothies, soups, or nut butters, stick around to see if this blender is your new best friend. Let's blend it up. First, let's talk features. The Breville Super Q Pro, model CBL 920 BSS1 BNA1, rocks a 1800-watt motor, delivering blade speeds up to 186 miles per hour for silky smooth results. It comes with two 68-ounce BPA-free Tritan jugs, perfect for large batches or back-to-back blending. With 5 one-touch presets, pulse, ice crush, stir, boost, and a bit more, you get effortless operation. It also has 12 speed settings for precise control, a 6-minute timer, and an auto-clean function. The noise suppression tech keeps it quieter than most commercial-grade blenders, and it includes a tamper and scraper for easy blending. Now, the pros. This blender is a powerhouse, crushing ice, blending greens, and making nut butters with ease. The presets are super intuitive, saving time for busy cooks. The 2 jugs boost efficiency, and the auto-clean feature makes cleanup a breeze. Most parts are dishwasher safe, too. Amazon reviews praise its durability and smooth blends, and the 10-year warranty gives peace of mind. It's quieter than competitors like Vitamix, which is a big win for home use. On the con side, it's not perfect. It's pricey, so it's a big investment if you only blend occasionally. The tool design might not fit under low cabinets, and some users report the blade stopping with very thick blends like frozen bananas, requiring manual restarts. It's also not ideal for small batches, as the large jug needs more volume to blend well. Do I recommend it? You bet if you're a serious home cook or smoothie fanatic who wants commercial-grade power with home-friendly features. It's perfect for families or frequent blenders. If you only make a shake now and then, a cheaper model might do, but for versatility and quality, this Breville is tough to beat. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Breville Commercial Super Q Pro Blender on Amazon for the best pricing and any special promotions. Thanks for watching Rick's Review Hub. If this review helped you decide, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's keep making smart choices together. See you next time.